There you go. Teriyaki chicken looks amazing. Smells awesome. First, let's make teriyaki sauce. This is mirin. Make it flat. Skin side down. God, very good smell. Today's video is teriyaki chicken. How's it going, everyone? I'm Keita. Today I'm gonna show you how to make teriyaki chicken. Do you know teriyaki chicken? Of course, everyone knows teriyaki nowadays over the world. But do you know how to make teriyaki sauce? A teriyaki sauce is very easy to make it. Today I'll teach you very easy and quick recipe. Let's get started. Okay, today's ingredients is chicken thigh for 500 grams and veggie, cabbage. Very simple. Okay, first let's make teriyaki sauce. The ingredients is soy sauce, mirin, sake, and sugar. I use low sugar today, but white sugar is also okay. First is soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 2. But today I make double amount. 4 tablespoons. 4. Next is mirin. 1 tablespoon. 1. But I make double amount. 2. 2. Next is sake. 1, 2. Just same amount of mirin. Last one is sugar. I use low sugar today. So 1, 2. Mix it until sugar is melted. Like this. Okay, first I cut cabbage. This cabbage and teriyaki sauce combination is perfect. Put in strainer. Wash. Salt water about 5 to 10 minutes. Today I use chicken thigh, but you can use chicken breast or take it off the skin. First thing is make it flat. So cut like this and open and cut, open. So this is flat. Why I have to make it flat? Because when you pan fry this one, it's cooked evenly. Okay? It's like this. This is done. Next is seasoning. Salt and pepper. I use white pepper, but if you don't have black pepper, it's okay. You can put seasoning little bit more, both sides. After seasoning salt and pepper, I put potato starch. If you don't have potato starch, corn flour, it's okay. This potato starch covers the chicken and more teriyaki sauce is sticked with chicken. It's more delicious. Okay? Turn on stove and first is high heat, brush oil. Okay, pan nice and hot and put chicken. And always skin side down. Skin side down. Okay, after 3-4 minutes, okay, turn over the chicken. Okay, great color. After turn over 3-4 minutes, pan fry again. Okay, this is almost cooked. This chicken, the heat is become medium heat. This teriyaki sauce go. Not all. Oh my god, very good smell. You have to be careful. It's not burn this teriyaki sauce. It's easy to burn. So always careful this sauce. More caramelized. Before cooking chicken, I cover the potato starch. This potato starch is make it stick more teriyaki sauce. Okay, teriyaki sauce become until like this before burns. Turn on stove and then smells so nice. Okay. Teriyaki sauce become like this, thick sauce and not burned. I cut chicken. I put teriyaki chicken on the cabbage. I put teriyaki sauce over the chicken. Perfect. Japanese mayonnaise, sesame on top, and I put leftover tomato. Japan teriyaki chicken. There you go, teriyaki chicken. Looks amazing, smells awesome. This is shiny. This is teriyaki. I made rice beforehand. The teriyaki sauce and rice is perfect combination. Ooh. Hi, this is my lunch today. Teriyaki chicken. Today's teriyaki chicken. いただきます. And before eating, today's beer is Byron Brewery beer. My day off, perfect day. いただきます. I like this beer, very light and good for this good weather day, hot day. Can you see this one? You know teriyaki, what is teriyaki sauce taste. いただきます. Teriyaki chicken, put the Japanese mayonnaise, rice, beer, perfect combination for chicken. Rice. Perfect day. Look at outside. Very good weather. But here in New South Wales, Byron Bay is locked down. I work in a restaurant, but it's closed and nothing to do. If you are same with me, nothing to do and in lockdown, please make teriyaki chicken. Thank you for watching today, and if you like this video, please push good button and subscribe my channel, please. See you in another video. Bye. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. ありがとう。